Hello, my name is April Garan. I'm happy to welcome you to Tutor ABC Global. I've been an English consultant here for 4.5 years, and I truly enjoy working with adults, learners from different backgrounds and goals. I have 12 years of teaching experience, and I also hold TESOL, TEFL, and TEYL certifications, which help me support learners at different levels with confidence and care. In my class, you can expect a patient, a supportive, and practical learning environment. I understand that yes, we can actually learn differently, but we focus on real life communication, building confidence, and using English naturally at work, travel, or daily conversations. Okay, now I'm excited to be part of your English journey and I look forward to helping you speak more confidently and comfortably. See you in class.